afternoon, Cactus people. Today we've got a lovely parcel here, which I've got a sneaking suspicion is from Daz, whose channel is Cactimania. I shall put up a link to that somewhere. And well, without any further ado, let's open up and find out what's in it. He said he was posting this yesterday and it arrived today, which is very good for the post, I thought. Very securely packed. Ooh, there's a card that says to Ziggy. Well, I'll have a look at that in a bit. And look at all this stuff! Ah, where do we start? Well, it's very nicely packed. There's no postal damage at all in there. Oop, can't get into this quick enough. Ooh. We have an Apuntia aurea, which I definitely haven't got. That's fantastic. I think Daz knows I've got a bit of a fondness for Apuntias. That's lovely. Put in there. And I was warned that there might be some rather spiky things in here. Ooh, what's this one? A Rebutia Hoffmanii with seed pods, 2019. Fantastic. I've just lost a few of my Rebutias in the heat we've just had. That is very welcome. Case. Oh, I like this. Revenge for the Gracilis. This could be interesting. It's probably some sort of jack in the box. I don't know if some of you may have watched the video where I sent some stuff to Daz, and instead of packing peanuts, I put lots of prunings of Mammillaria gracilis. Yes. What can we open this into? Very carefully. Well, I'm not quite sure what these are. There's some sort of succulent. We'll find out. There's a lot of them. If you can see that there. Thank you, Daz. Very interesting. These are all very well packed. Ooh. G. Platigonum. G. Oh, we're looking at it. Must be Gymnocalycium. They're gorgeous. Lovely little things. I've not actually heard of this one. So again, it's a first. Brilliant. I mean, there's loads of them. Ooh, this one, that's a Gymnocalycium by the looks of it. No, I can't pronounce that. Mihanotchivi. Aye, it's a hybrid, a variegated one, obviously. And I may have one of these, which I also can't pronounce, but I definitely haven't got a variegated one. That's fantastic. A serious amount of wrapping on these, which is fantastic. Ooh. This looks like a Ferrocactus. Denmoser rhodocantha, which I definitely haven't got either. That's fantastic. I'm going to run out of space even though I've got this huge decking, Daz. Ooh. Parodia Wernii, July 2020. Lovely roots on it. And I'm very fond of parodias too. So thank you, Daz. Ooh, this is just like Christmas, but without the snow. Oh, I don't know, we've got some Christmas wrapping here, that looks lovely. And Gymnocalcium Fredericii, Aqua Dulce Hybrid. Brilliant. Definitely something I haven't got. Absolutely gorgeous as well. And I do like to try and get two of everything, and that's another tuber too. This one's a bit lighter, but spiky. Oh, I think we've got a Cylindropuntia, an Cylindropuntia salmiana. Brilliant. That can go on the new bed eventually, which is sort of dedicated to Cylindropuntias. Slightly coming out. What have we got here? And we have a Labibia from my dad's collection. Oh, brilliant! Thank you, Daz. That's excellent. It's lovely to be able to pass on something from your father. Hold that up to the camera so you can see a bit more, or the other camera. Oh, and a couple of Astrophytums, Astrophytum asterius. Again, lovely little specimens. When you mention Astrophytum on YouTube, the subtitles picks it up as Astrofighters, which I always find quite amusing. Oh, there's something bigger here. With lots of wrapping. Could it be asparagus? No, look at this. Oh, this is one of the spiky ones he was on about. Looks like some sort of a Puntia. A Puntia vulgaris. That's one I haven't got. Gorgeous specimens too. Absolutely super. I won't unwrap that fully because they are a bit on the spiky side. It's at this point I'd better pause the video cameras because I've only got cheap cameras and they do tend to switch off after a minute. Okay, let's carry on. Ooh. Oh, the Gymnocalcium horridispinum. That sounds good. They don't look that horridy, but they're brilliant. Again, there's two of them, which is excellent. I've got a feeling that Daz likes Gymnocalciums. Oh, I think I recognise that one. That's Cactus molliensis. No, I didn't recognise that. Thought it was a Cactus. Excellent. I do collect these. Shall add that one to the collection in pride of place. Ooh, there's two there. One at a time, Zig. One at a time. Ooh, that's very cute. A Parodia bunningii. I've had plenty of Parodia friends here. I've got one Parodia that had about 2,000 babies a couple of years ago, which takes a lot of potting up. Ooh, a Gymnocalycium braganisii hybrid. Interesting. Very nice. I've got some serious potting up to do here, haven't I? Oh, I've just noticed there are even cactus notepaper it's written on. An Echinocerius rigidibus rubrispinus. Excellent. These have lovely flowers on them when they mature. They're cute. Oh, Mammillaria centris. Excellent. These are so hard to get to flower in captivity that it was originally thought that there was a flowering and non-flowering variety, but they seem to think now that it's just lack of sunlight that stops some of them flowering. But we shall follow this one with interest. And now, it's the toilet roll collection. Gymnocalycium quellianum. Another gymno that I haven't got. Excellent. I've got it now. This is going to take up all my pots, Daz. Still a good excuse to go out and buy some more. Ooh, what's this one? Gymnocalycium natalia. Not even heard of that one. Excellent. Gymnocalycium stellatum. Again, one I haven't got. Excuse me. Oh, this is an interesting colour. Gymnomechanovichii. I nearly said that right. Again, there's variegation in that one, which is excellent. And the last one. Which is another Gymnocalycium mesopotamium. Excellent. Reminds me of a good B-52 song, yeah? Well, thank you very much, Daz. This is an excellent, excellent present. And it should be made spending happy hours of potting up and growing. That's fantastic. And I'm doing a separate video of opening up the letter from Daz, just in case it says anything embarrassing or personal in there. It says thank you. Some lovely flowers on there. Hi Ziggy, sorry for the wait. Included are some young plants I've grown from seed, as well as some extra special ones. Enjoy. Thank you for your friendship, Daz and Edith, Cacti Mania. That's absolutely lovely, lovely. Well, these will all have pride of place in the collection here. And thank you, Daz.